Hi, welcome to another Raw Escapades. I'm Stacia Alicia and this is my fruit hunting partner in crime.
I'm Kadeen.
So today we're in Barbican and we are going to taste and review the Ackee. No one knows the Ackee can eat raw, but today we will show you that we're never dead after we eat it, right?
But you're gonna eat first.
Yeah, me eat first this time. Come, me eat raw Ackee all the time and I'm still alive. Alright. Our time now?
Hey, we're going raw.
Hey,
We're going raw. Hey, we're going raw.
we're going. Hey, hey. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. So we'll try pick Ackee. Make we see how it go. Hopefully it's not drop in at the pan.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait. Had another. Oh, fruit sticks, that's it.
Oh, yeah.
Would it drop in there?
Alright.
Let's go for that?
Yeah.
Look, make sure you can catch it. That may I talk about.
So we get it, chicken. Oh, so see the raw Ackee, we're gonna show them say it's edible.
Right.
But explain to them when it's edible.
Alright, so people always say eating Ackee, you're going to poison from it. No, not when it's open, naturally open on the tree. What happens is that it does have a poisonous gas, but it's when the Ackee is closed.
Green, unripe
Ackee.
Right, so the ripened Ackee is good to eat. And how you know it's ripened? It's open.
It opens naturally on the tree.
Alright, so we're going to show now. You're going to see if we're dead or we're not dead. Well, if you see this episode, that means we're alive and kicking.
Right?
Alright. Oh, and the other thing is tell them also as well that you have to clean it. So
there's a little
pinkish fiber or
membrane inside here. So we take out the seed. The seed is black and hard.
So when you take it out, take out the pinkish fiber and the seed. Supposed to clean and yellow.
So we'll just pick out this here. And I understand that pink part can eat as well.
Well, you try it first.
Well, not today. Not today.
Me not try that one day, but alright.
And this is nature's natural cheese, people.
Yeah.
Let's
have a. Alright.
We're going to taste?
Yeah. I mean, we eat it all the time.
Yeah.
It's have an avocado kind of thing. So I think this is a fatty fruit like the avocado.
It is, It tastes kind of cheesy, like, like white cheese. Not cheddar.
Oh, I don't know how white cheese. But yeah, see we eat it.
Good. Right. Yeah. You can marinate this in like you.
We're dead yet?
5, 4, 3, 2,
so
1.
Yeah, so actually tell them something because you are the expert chef, the raw chef. So tell them some of the ways that we can prepare the raw Ackee. I know the way to the fruit facts and everything, but I just wanted.
Right. So your Ackee, as the fruit it is now, it's kind of a hardish, kind of tough. But if you want to tenderize the Ackee, you can actually soak this in some like coconut milk or coconut aminos, or if you don't have that, you can do soy sauce just to marinate it to soften it a little bit, because you can make a raw Ackee salad, right? So you can put that in there with a little seasoning
and season it up.
Season it with your scallion, your onions, your garlic, your tomatoes and stuff, and just leave it there to marinate for like a half an hour to 1 hour, and you are good. And some pimento and spice it up with pepper. That's jerk right there. Some jerk Ackee.
Out of 5, what you gonna give the Ackee?
In terms of sweetness, it is going to be a 1 because it's really not. It's not sweet.
It's not sweet. Alright, you are sorry.
It's not sweet for what it is and what you should expect. It's a solid 3.
Okay. Yeah, because it's not a sweet fruit, so I can't grade it on that. I'd give it a 3 too, and I'm just thinking about when you season it and all of that, and me eat raw ackee almost every day, so.
Trust me, right now.
So I'd give it a 3 as well, and one thing to note though, for me, I don't know if it cloying, you can't really eat enough. It's just like how if you eat a lot of cheese or a lot of, it cloying, it's a cloying thing about it. But yeah, that's the raw ackee.
Yeah.
Listen out for the fruit facts on the ackee. The botanical name of the ackee is the Bligia sapida. The name was given in honor of Captain William Bligh of Mutiny on the Bounty fame, who in 1793 took plants of the fruit from Jamaica to England. Ackee is derived from the original name Ackee, which comes from the Twi language of Ghana. Jamaica is the only place where the fruit is widely eaten. However, it has been introduced into most of the other Caribbean islands, for example, Trinidad, Grenada, Antigua, and Barbados, the Central America and Florida, where it is known by different names and does not thrive in economic quantities. Jamaican canned ackee is now exported and sold in markets patronized by expatriate Jamaicans. The unripe ackee is unsafe to eat, even if it has been cooked. Additionally, the water used to cook the unripe fruit can be poisonous. The unripe fruit contains poisonous chemicals that can harm the liver. The unripe ackee can also cause severely low blood sugar levels, convulsions, and death. However, the ripe ackee is safe and edible and can be eaten as food. Fruit turns red on reaching maturity and splits open with continued exposure to the sun. Traditionally, it is at this time that the ackees are harvested and the edible portion removed and cleaned in preparation for eating or cooking. This delicacy is enjoyed by many at breakfast or as an entree. The ackee is also known as ackee, ackee apple, or ackee. It is related to the lychee fruit and has a delicate, slightly nutty flavor. Like tomatoes, ackee is a fruit that is most often prepared in savory dishes. In many West African countries, including Cameroon, Ghana, and Senegal, ackee is commonly eaten raw, fried in oil, or mixed in soups. In Jamaica, it is often cooked with codfish or saltfish, onions and tomatoes, or curried and served with rice. Only the soft, creamy inner flesh of the ackee is edible. Also of note is that you can only find canned ackee in the US. Here's a tip. Ackee is a soft, creamy color in the can, but you know it's fully cooked when the ackee becomes bright yellow. We have come to the end of another raw escapade. And now you know that ackee can be eaten raw because we're still alive, we're still kicking. We're not dead, we're not gone away. Hey, hey.
We're going raw. Hey, we're going raw. Hey, we're going raw. We're going raw. We're going raw. Hey, we're going raw. Hey.